Dark shadows stretch far beyond. In the woods where silence pawned, whispers tangled in the night, branches twist to hide from light. Echoes call from the deep, tangled dreams that never sleep. Ghostly winds through ancient trees, waking fears on the midnight breeze. Eyes unseen watch close and near, footsteps fall without a fear. Moonlight spills its silver thread on the path where legends tread. Echoes call from the deep, tangled dreams that never sleep. Ghostly winds through ancient trees, waking fears on the midnight breeze. Breathing slow with heartbeats loud, flickers chase the shifting cloud. Leaves that sigh and roots that groan. Forest speaks in cryptic tone. Haunted tales and winds resound, lost souls wander all around. Nature's song, both wild and free, binds us in its mystery. Marching shadows in the night, echoes whisper of the fight. Fleets are humming through the pines, haunting tunes our faith defines. Forest speaks in ghostly tones, where the moonlight chills our bones. Drums resound with every beat, treading paths of our defeat. War drums rolling in the gloom, snare rolls puncture through the doom. Bass lines growl from hidden layers,
and flares. Lost in echoes dark and drear, voices chant what we all fear. Past and future intertwined in a forest lost to time. Electric pulses guide the course. Voltage whispers with remorse. Footsteps heavy on the ground. In the shadows, lost and found. Forest speaks in ghostly tones, where the moonlight chills our bones. Drums resound with every beat, treading paths of our defeat.
Lost in the forest where shadows creep, whispers of the night in secrets they keep. Synth pads hum like a ghostly call, distorted bass rumbles through it all. Leaves rustle under military snare, footsteps echo but no one's there. Haunting visions float in the mist, dark ambient textures, edge of abyss. Tense pulses run through my veins, raw emotion like fallen chain. Forest bleeds and echoes deep. In this nightmare, I lose my sleep. Silent cries from the hidden past, AG beats that are built to last. Synth pads carry the weight of night, distorted shadows fade from sight. Ghostly melodies weave through my mind, ancient tales and patterns they bind. Cushion strikes as the heartbeat slows, haunting rhythms in the forest flows. Tense pulses run through my veins, raw emotion like fallen chains. Forest bleeds and echoes deep. In this nightmare, I lose my sleep. In this nightmare, I lose my sleep.
Shadows dance in the moonlight glow. Leaves rustle secrets they won't show. Whispers creep on cold night air. Silence screams in forest lair. Trapped in echoes, lost and found. Feet move softly, no escape sound. Under canopy of jade, haunted path that fate has laid. Voices call from distant night. Eyes in darkness shine so bright. Echoes weave a ghostly thread as we walk where angels dread. Twisted roots like fingers claw beneath the earth, damp and raw. Heartbeats sync with distant drum, march to where the shadows hum. Branches crack and spirits sigh. Fog rolls heavy, can't see sky. Chill of unknown grips the spine. In this place where nightmares dine.